Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to picture search on Toaboa's account, how to search on Toaboa's account. So Toaboa's account is also the same thing with 1.16.8. It has a little bit different, and which I will be also be filming the videos and I'll be talking about the difference in the future. So let's dive into the video. Let's go into the video. If you want to picture search on Toaboa's account, it's required some little thing and it's even more faster than 1.16.8. The first thing that you have to do is here that I'm using this search bar that I type. You can also type here. It's either you type here and you search for something. I'll be showing you how to search and I'll be showing you on how to also picture search. So let's search for a bag. Let's search for a bag. So this is the first way to picture search on. This is the first way to search on Toaboa's account. This is the first way to search on Toaboa's account. So the second way is using picture search method. Second way is using. So this is the picture search. You see, this is the picture search. So, and more so, if you want to picture search, the first thing that you have to do is you'll be using this icon that I cycled. That's camera, the camera icon that I cycled below. You have to press on it and wait for it a little bit. So I also want to show you something here. Here is also, if you can also use this camera icon to search. Either you use this camera icon, you can also use this camera icon to search, like this one that I'm showing you. If you have an object that you want to search on Toaboa's account, you can use the camera icon, and also you can also use this back camera icon to also search. And another thing is, let me translate and see this. Another thing is you can also picture search by scanning. You can also use this place to scan. If you have a product that you want to scan, you simply come here and you tap a product that you want to scan, you simply come here. So you tap the product, and you see, you wait for it to load while it has already scanned. So let me also show you the third method that you can also use. Here is also so here is also, if you want to search for something and it's not really showing you the exact result, maybe there are some objects behind the product that you want to search. You will be using, since it's displayed in 4 parts, this is the first part, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. So you'll be pressing it one after the other and you wait for it to load. You see, it will also display another thing. You see, what it displays from here is also different. Let me use the third method. So It's displaying different kind of different thing based on the object, based on the object that are behind the product. So the third method is you can also come here to picture search. This is the third method. After you press it and you wait for it to load. So we search the item now. Let us search any of the item. Let me choose these shoes. So you also wait for it to load. So this is how to picture search on Toaboa. So this is how you see these are different type of shoes that is also displayed. This is how to. Alright guys, this is how to picture search in Toaboa. So let me know in the comment below if you're able to get what I explained in this video. So let me know in the comment below if you're able to get how to picture search, and if you also have a difficulty in picture search on Toaboa, let me also know. So guys, this is where I'll be ending this video. So if you're just coming to this channel, if you're just coming to my channel, subbing to this channel won't be bad. So make sure you watch this video and like this video and watch this video trying. So guys, I will play big and I will see you in the next video.